Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Cluster beans vegetable, also known as Tidki Midki, Titkio Mitkio or Gavar Bhaji, is a simple yet flavorful dish that's a staple in many Goan homes. Made with potatoes, aromatic spices and freshly grated coconut, this dish is both delicious and comforting. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for this easy and delicious cluster beans vegetable. We'll show you how to make it just right with exclusive cooking tips to bring out the best authentic flavors. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious cluster beans vegetable or Tidki Midki. Step 1. Preparing the cluster beans. Take around 500 grams of cluster beans, which are also called Titkio Mitkio, Tidki Midki or Gavar Bhaji. Wash them properly. Take one cluster bean and break off the ends and remove any string which is lengthwise. Similarly, clean the remaining cluster beans. Take a bunch of cluster beans once they are cleansed and cut them into small pieces like I have shown. Similarly, cut the remaining cluster beans. Our cluster beans are ready. Step 2. Preparing the potatoes. We have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes weighing around 300 grams. Wash and clean the potatoes and then peel the skin. Take a potato and cut it the way I have shown. We need medium-sized potato cubes. Cluster beans or Tidki Midki as they are called are packed with fiber for digestion, iron for energy and calcium for strong bones. They also help in controlling blood sugar, supporting heart health, promoting weight loss and detoxification of the body, making this vegetable a delicious and healthy addition to your meals. Similarly, cut the remaining potatoes. Our potato cubes are ready. Transfer them to a bowl. Soak the potatoes in water to avoid discoloration. Keep them aside. Potatoes are ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 3 medium-sized onions. Cut them very fine like I have done. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. Take 3 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 10 medium-sized garlic cloves. Cut them fine. Take 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Take 3 Kashmiri red chilies. Break them into pieces and discard some of the seeds that come out. Take half cup of freshly grated coconut. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds powder. 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Step 4. Preparing the cluster beans vegetable. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or your regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces and stir. Add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir it nicely. After a minute, add the Kashmiri red chili pieces. Also add the green chilies and stir. Add the finely cut onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Also add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the salt. Stir everything nicely. Add the potatoes after draining out the water. Stir fry them nicely for around 4 to 5 minutes without adding any water.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the tomatoes. Stir everything properly. Then add the cluster beans. Stir them nicely for around 2 minutes without adding any water. After around 2 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of water. Add another 2 tablespoons of water. Stir everything properly. If you want to cook the vegetable without adding water, then check out our French beans vegetable recipe to learn how it is done. The link is given above and also in the description box. Cover and cook for some time. Check frequently to avoid sticking or burning to the bottom of the pan. Add little water if required. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of salt. You can add salt based on your taste preference. We also added 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything properly. Cubed potatoes take around 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Cluster beans take around 10 minutes to cook. That's the reason we have added the potatoes earlier. Now check if the potatoes are cooked. Once ready, add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. You can serve this vegetable hot with rice and curry or enjoy it with bread, chapati or roti. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members so they can also enjoy this tasty vegetable. Delicious cluster beans or Tidki Midki vegetable is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.